Welcome to DelphStack. Today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS bitrate when it is unstable. First, check your internet speed and make sure it's working well. You can connect to a LAN network so your speed stays more stable. Make sure your upload speed is stable around 3 to 6 Mbps. If you're streaming in 1080p, use around 6 to 10 Mbps. To lower your bitrate in OBS, open OBS Studio and go to Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go to Output, then go to the Streaming section. Now change your bitrate. For 1080p, you can set it around 4,500 to 6,000 kbps. For 720p resolution, you can set it around 2,500 to 4,000 kbps. I'm setting mine to 4,000 kbps, then click Apply. Another method is to change the server, use an Ethernet cable, or close background apps while streaming. You can also lower the stream resolution by going to Settings, then Video. Check the resolution and lower to 720p if needed. I recommend keeping the base and output resolution the same. For better performance, set the FPS value to 30, then click Apply. This is how you can fix unstable bitrate in OBS quickly. Restart your internet router or restart OBS Studio after making changes. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.